Hello, everybody. A very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma, and I welcome all of you in your favorite online education platform, the one and only Examper. All right, everybody. So I welcome all of you at your favorite organization, Examper. Now, my dear students, let me be very clear. The agenda for today's session is, as you all are well aware, the topic is order and ranking, particularly part 1. So this is a topic which is very important from banking examination point of view. Earlier, the weightage of this particular topic used to be up to 3 questions. So earlier the weightage was up to 3 questions, but gradually with the passage of time, some new kind of questions have emerged, some new types have emerged, new levels have come. So now the level of this topic in your examination, the level of this particular topic in your examination is up to 5 questions. All right, everyone, getting it or not? The level of this particular topic in your examination is up to 5 questions. 1 year back it used, or let me tell you exactly 1.5 years back, the weightage was up to 3 questions, but gradually with the passage of time it's reduced, it has increased up to 5, whereas the weightage of some topics have gone down. The weightage of this topic has increased only. Some new types of questions have emerged which we would be doing tomorrow. Those type of questions, designation wise, we would be doing tomorrow. All right. However, today also we would be doing some of the important topics, some of the important questions, and I hope you all will really enjoy. My dear students, have a look at the thought of the day. The thought of the day is: dream bigger, do bigger. Okay, dream bigger, do bigger. So now dreaming is not bad, thinking is not bad, but merely dreaming or merely thinking is bad. Okay, so think of the things, dream of the things, but only thinking, only dreaming will not work. Okay, any dream or thought or anything which is going on in your mind must be accompanied by required actions. They must be followed by required actions, because action speaks louder than voice. All right, everybody, getting it? Yes or no? Yes or no? And now the very first question. Here we go. 1 minute. Start now. Order and ranking. Quickly, everyone. Now see, my dear students, how to approach this question. So in a row, Richa is 18th from the front and Jack is 23rd from the back end. Okay, so suppose there is a row, my dear students, there is a row. This is the front and this is the back. Okay, so in a row, Richa is 18th from the front. So this is a row, and in this row, this is the row, and in this row, Richa is 18th from the front and Jack is 23rd from the back end. Jack is 23rd from the back end, while Anna is exactly between them. Now see why I have drawn this diagram only, because there was one more diagram which could have been drawn. And which was one more diagram which could have been drawn? Richa is 18th from the front, Jack is 23rd from the back, Anna is exactly between them, Okay, so now this diagram was also possible. But here a point is there that if Richa is ahead of Jack, in this case Richa is behind Jack, so this case cannot be formed. In this case Richa is ahead of Jack, and there are total 64 persons. There are total 64 persons in the row. How many persons are there between Richard and Anna? How many persons are there between Richard and Anna, or Richa and Anna? Okay, so now listen to me very carefully. If I ask you that how many persons are in this region, if I ask you that how many persons are in this region, the number of persons in this region is equal to total persons 64 minus till here is 18 plus till here is 23. 64 minus 41, okay, which will be giving you 23, okay, which will be giving you 23. So that means 23 people are in this region. Now, my dear students, 23 people are in this region, out of which one is Anna itself. So now 22 more people are remaining. Out of the 23 people in this region, one is Anna itself. So still 22 people are remaining. Half of that, 11. 11 people would be in this region. 11 people would be in this region. So 11 plus 11, 22 and 1, 23. So now how many persons are between Richa and Anna? 11. How many persons are between Anna and Jack? 11. So answer will be 11 only for this question. All right, everyone. Fine. Next. Solve this one. Solve this one, everybody. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now, my dear students, here the question is, how many students were there in the class? How many students were there in the class? So, number of students in the class is obviously it is equal to the number of students who passed in the test plus number of students who failed in the test plus number of students who were absent in the test. So number of students who passed plus failed plus absent will be giving you the total number of students in the class. Now have a look at this. Okay, this is top, this is bottom. Rajiv ranked 21st from the top. So this is Rajiv, this is Rajiv. Rajiv ranked 23rd from the top, sorry, 21st from the top. Rajiv ranked 21st from the top and 43rd from the bottom. Rajiv ranked 21st from the top and 43rd from the bottom among those who passed. So if it is asked that how many students passed, so number of students who passed are till here 21 plus till here 43, which is equal to 64. But we cannot count one person twice. We cannot count one person twice, that it is 21st from the top also and 43rd from the bottom also. We cannot count one person twice. So we will subtract one to take care of double counting. And therefore, the number of passed candidates will be 63. Next, 10 students did not give the test. Basically, they were absent. And 8 students failed in it. So now if you add them, the moment you decide to add them, you will be getting 81. 81 is given in option number A and hence would be the right answer. Okay, fine everyone, getting it? Next, solve this one. Order and ranking. The name itself is very clear. You have to rank the persons according to their height, weight, marks, percentage, etc. So order and ranking is primarily focused on ranking these days. You have to rank the people on certain aspects. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, everybody. Now, among B, F, J, K, and W, each of them is of different heights. The tallest person is at the top, shortest is at the bottom. It is telling F is taller than only J. F is taller than only J means it is shorter than all the others. It is shorter than all the others. Now, B is taller than F and W, both of them. B is taller than F and W, both of them, but not as tall as K means shorter than K. Not as tall as K means shorter than K. Who among them is the third tallest? So the one who is the third tallest is K. So the correct answer is option number, okay. Who among them is the third tallest? It's W. Sorry, it's W. Absolutely sorry. Absolutely sorry. It's W. I have marked W, but I spoke K. I have marked W, but I have spoken K. So right answer is option number D, that is K. All right, everybody. Option number D, that is W. Okay, because it is asking you the third tallest. So third tallest is W. K is the tallest one, but here third tallest is asked. So the answer will be option number D, that is W. Now moving ahead, guys. Solve this one quickly. Okay, now see, here it is telling you in a class among the students who passed the exam. Okay, see here what it is telling you. The question is how many students are there in the class. Focus on the question, how many students are there in the class. So the number of students in the class, my dear students, the number of students in the class is equal to the number of students who passed plus the number of students who failed. That's it. Here I have not used the absent students. Why I have not used the absent students? Because it is categorically mentioned that all the students from the class have appeared for the exam. Now if all the students from the class have appeared for the exam, if that is true, so if the student has appeared, there is no one who is absent, so either they will pass or they will fail. And also the ratio of passed to failed candidates, also the ratio of passed to failed candidates is this. So the total candidates in the class will be of the form of 30x. 30x. Number of people cannot be in decimal. Number of people cannot be in decimal. So the number of students in the class is of the form of 30x. So this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. Now answer is sum from them. Either it is 60 or it is none of these. Because here another multiple of 30 can also be there. 90, 120, 150, 180, even 30 itself can be there. Isn't it? So now let us find out the exact answer. So now this is the class and these are the past candidates. These are the past candidates. Okay, this is the top and this is the bottom. Okay, so now the question is telling that in a class among the students who passed the examination, Andy ranks 20 from the top. This is Andy. Andy ranks 20th from the top. And Sam, who is 4 rank below Andy. Sam, who is 1 rank below, 2 rank below, 3 rank below, and 4 rank below Andy, is 35 from the bottom. Is 35 from the bottom. Okay. And now, my dear students, if I ask you how many students passed, if I ask you how many students passed, it is equal to till here 20 plus in this region 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 3, and then till here 35, then till here 35, 58, 58. So 58 students passed. 58 students passed. Okay, so if the passed candidates are 58, so that means 29x corresponds to 58, 29x corresponds to 58. So now I need not write this, x corresponds to 2, 1x corresponds to 2, and therefore the total is of the form of 60. The total is of the form of 60. That is the right answer, option number C, that is 60. Getting it, everyone? Getting it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Next, solve this one. Okay, 2 minutes to draw the diagram. A very, very good question. 2 minutes to draw the diagram. Hurry up. So these are the latest pattern questions which you will really enjoy. Quickly. Hurry up. Next 1 minute. Quickly, everyone. Okay, fine. Time is up. Now listen to me. 6 friends whose names have been given. They are standing in descending order of the height from left to right. So 6 persons are standing in descending order of the height from left to right. Okay. Okay, just hold on. I require 6 persons, but 6 I'm not able to form in this. So just hold on. Now, 6 friends M, N, O, P, Q, and R are standing in descending order of the height from left to right. So that means the tallest person is at the leftmost end and the shortest person is at the rightmost end. All right, everyone. So my dear students, 6 friends M, N, O, P, Q, and R are standing in descending order of their height from left to right. All are facing towards the north. All are facing towards the north. All right. All are facing towards the north. Now, no two of them have the same height. Okay. No two of them have the same height. Now, my dear students, here we go. One person is between M and O. Okay. But before that, use this line. Very important, very crucial. Only 2 persons are shorter than O. Only 2 persons are shorter than O. only two persons are shorter than O. Two cases I have taken. See, only two persons, 1 and 2 are shorter than O. Okay, I have taken the two cases. Now, moving ahead. Now, one person is between M and O, Q and M are taller than O. One person is between M and O, Q and M are taller than O. Now, Q and M are taller than O. Q and M are taller than O can be in this way or it can be in this way. See, only two persons are shorter than O. Then one person is between O and M is taller than O, so M will be here. And Q and M are taller than O. Now, Q and M are taller than O, Q can be here or here, here or here. All right, getting it everyone? Fine. Now, moving ahead. Now what it is telling you, one person is between Q and R is not the tallest. One person is between Q and R is not the tallest. That is why I cannot keep R over here. Now, at least two persons are between P and N, P is taller than N. At least two persons are between P and N, P is taller than N. Okay? At least two persons are between P and N, P is taller than N. So, PMQORN. PMQORN. All right, everybody? Fine. Now, have a look at this. Who among the following is the shortest in the group? Who among the following is the shortest in the group? The one who is the shortest in the group. See, now we have already drawn it. The one who is shortest in the group is N. And therefore, the right answer is option number B, that is N. All right, everyone? Getting it, everybody? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Now, my dear students, coming to the next question. How many persons are standing between P and R? The number of persons standing between P and R is 3. All right, option number D, that is 3. Okay, next. Now the next one, the next question. Okay, solve this. I'm giving you just 1 minute to draw the diagram. Hurry up. Hurry up. See, now this is one of the easiest questions. So now I hope you are able to understand. See, order and rank, this is not a class of theory. This is not a school class or a college lecture in which first I come and discuss what is order and ranking, and most of the times I spend discussing about order and ranking instead of solving the problem. No, I cannot do that. I came, I discussed what is the heading of today, what is the weightage of that topic. Okay, today we are going to do easy level questions, tomorrow main level questions, and then I started with the questions. Okay, and while solving the questions, you will already get to know what are the nature of questions which come under the heading or come under the umbrella of order and ranking. Okay, order and ranking means you have to name, you have to rank the persons. The names will be given. You have to rank the persons on the basis of name, weight, height, marks, etc. Name in alphabetical or reverse alphabetical, whatever can be given. Primarily, we have to compare the people on the basis of their weight, marks, age, okay, rank, okay, anything other than that also. Amount of money they have, number of chocolates they have, etc. So now, 6 persons are of different age, they work in a company. Now, O is older than only M and Q. O is older than only M and Q means it is younger than all the others. O is older than only M and Q means it is younger than all the others. And Q is not the youngest. Q is not the youngest. So M will be over here. Fine. O is older than only M and Q. But yes, Q is not the youngest means it will be here. Now P is younger than only N. P is younger than only N means it is elder than all the others. P is younger than only N means it is elder than all the others, and now only R is left out. And now, my dear students, very important. The third oldest one is 71 years of age and Q's age is 52 years. So NPR OQM, NPR OQM. All right, everybody. And now the question is, who among the following is the second youngest? The one who is the second youngest is Q. The one who is the second youngest is Q. Answer is option number E, that is Q. Answer is option number E, that is Q. Who could be 72 years of age? Who could be? See, the one who could be 71 years of age can be P. P. Okay. So can be P, and that is why it's the right answer. Option number E, that is P. All right, everyone. Fine. Fine, everybody. Next. How many people are older than O? So the number of people who are older than O are 3. I hope all of you are getting that. So once you have solved your task, is easy. Next question. Time starts. Time starts. Quickly, I will be giving you 3 minutes for this. Okay? 3 minutes. Solve this properly. Hurry up. Next 1 minute. Next 1 minute, guys. Come on, hurry up. Quickly. Come on, guys. Those who are live, please like the session. Please share the session. Liking and sharing is very, very important, guys. Very important. Quickly. Next 1 minute. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now we're about to start with the discussion. We are about to start with the discussion. 3 minutes were given, and now let us begin. Let us begin now. See, 6 students of a class, the names have been given. They appeared for a test which includes questions from 6 subjects. The subjects have been given. Only one student have obtained 100 marks in one subject. Okay, so only one student has obtained 100 marks in one subject. Okay, they got different ranks in the class. Okay, they got different rank in the class according to their overall performance. Number 1, Saeed got a rank higher than Samaya. Number 1, Saeed got a rank higher than Samaya. Saeed got a rank higher than Samaya. Next, at least one person got a rank higher than Smita. At least one person got a rank higher than Smita. See, in terms of rank, higher means lesser. In terms of percentage, higher percentage means more. In terms of percentage, higher percentage means more. More percentage means better performer. But in terms of rank, better performance means lesser rank. Better performance means lesser rank. Rank 1 is the best performer. So it is higher rank, better rank. Higher means better in terms of this. So at least one person got a rank higher than Smita. So Smita cannot be the first ranker. Shahrukh got the least rank. Shahrukh got the least rank but scored 100 marks in GA. The student who got second rank scored 100 marks in Punjabi. The student who got second rank scored 100 marks in Punjabi. Two people got a rank higher than Shilpa. Shilpa who obtained highest marks in math. Okay. Now, Syed obtained 100 marks in Hindi. Fine. And Smita obtained higher rank than both Syed and Samaya. But Smita cannot be at the top. So Smita will be over here. And below Smita are Syed and Samaya. All right, everyone. Next. Now, who is left out? The only one who is left out is Swati. Okay. And now, my dear students, let us talk about the subjects. See, Syed scored full marks in Hindi. So, Hindi is over here. And now, let us talk about the subjects. English has not come. GA has come. Hindi has come. Maths has come. Punjabi has come. English and science are remaining. So, if English is over here, science is over here. And if science is over here, then English is over here. All right, everybody. Fine. Getting it or not, everyone? Getting it or not? Yes or no? Okay. Now, who got highest marks in science? The ones who got highest marks in science is Swati or Samaya. It's Swati or Samaya. So the right answer is cannot be determined. You can see very well that English and science we cannot fix them. Okay. Now, my dear students, who got second lowest rank in the class? Second lowest rank in the class is Samaya. Answer is option number D. That is Samaya. All right, everyone. Fine. Next one. Please solve this. Again, 3 minutes I would be giving. But solve this quickly. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Next 1 minute. Next 1 minute. Quickly, everyone. Next 1 minute. Hurry up. I'm giving you one last minute, guys, but that's the last minute of this question. So please solve this. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me, guys. There are 8 students whose names have been given. 3 of them attend the class on maths and physics each, and 2 of them attend the class on biology. So 3 people attend the class on maths and physics each. 2 of them attend the class on biology. Each one of them scored different marks. Each one of them scored different marks means the ones whose marks is at the highest, the maximum marks is at the top. The maximum marks is at the top, and the least marks, the minimum marks, is at the bottom. Now, the one who scored the highest marks does not attend bio. The one who scored the highest marks does not attend bio. And the one who scored the lowest marks, the ones who scored the lowest mark does not attend math. Next, you scored more marks than P and S. You scored more marks than P and S. Now this is a doubt area. You scored more marks than P and S, but lesser than W and Q. Lesser than W and Q. So you scored more than P and S and lesser than W and Q. Okay, next. T who does not attend maths. T who does not attend maths scored more marks than Q and scored the second highest marks. T who does not attend maths, okay, T who does not attend maths scored more marks than Q. T scored more marks than Q means now Q cannot be over here. Q cannot be over here because T scored more marks than Q. So T who does not attend maths scored more marks than Q and scored the second highest mark, so it is over here. Now V scored lesser than S but more than P. V scored lesser than S but more than P. Now V scored lesser than S but more than P means it is reversed. It is reversed. Okay. V scored lesser than S but more than P. V scored lesser than S but more than P. W who is fourth from the top attends physics with S. 1, 2, 3 and 4. W is fourth from the top attends physics with S. Okay. W is fourth from the top attends physics with S. Now, V does not attend either maths or biology. V does not attend either maths or biology means V attends physics. V does not attend either maths or biology means V attends physics. Okay. And Q does not attend biology. Q does not attend biology. Q does not attend biology. Okay. Now, my dear students, have a look at this. Now we have to just, whatever direct information were given, I have noted them inside it. Very few direct information was given. Whatever indirect information is given, I have written over here. Now see, where to place Q? if I place Q over here, then below Q USVP, below Q USVNP, how will you arrange? How will you arrange? So here you cannot place Q. You cannot place Q over here also. You cannot place Q over here also. So the only place where you can keep Q is this. I hope it is very clear. Fine. Now moving ahead, my dear students. Moving ahead. Now as I said, below Q are USVP, USVNP. And now who is left out? PQRSTUVW, PQR, PQRSTUVNW. Okay, fine. Okay. Now see, my dear students, W attends physics, S attends physics, V also attends physics. So now all the three physics people have come. Now no one else can attend physics, because now physics is already preoccupied now. So now if physics is occupied, not maths will refer to bio and not bio will refer to maths, because physics is occupied. So now just tell me, my dear students, not math will mean bio, not maths will mean bio. So now bio is also over. Now rest all will be maths. So rest all will be maths. Maths over here, and now maths over here. All right, and now this is the complete structure. All right, everyone, getting it or not, my dear students? So RTQW USVP, okay. Then maths, bio, maths, physics, maths, bio, maths, physics, bio, physics, bio. Absolutely, it is correct. All right, and now who scored the lowest marks? The lowest marks was scored by P, who attends biology. It's not given. Answer is none of these. Okay, answer is option number E. Next, who scored the second highest marks? The second highest marks is scored by T. Answer is option number C, that is T. Which of the following pairs of students attend physics? Which of the following pairs? Not pairs means two only. But here it should be which of the following students attend physics. So physics and physics. So V, S and W. Okay, fine. T attends biology. So this is gone. T attends biology. So it is gone. Further, U attends maths. So even that is gone. So W, S and V. I hope it is very clear. Next, what is W's position from the top when they are arranged in descending order of the marks? So if you arrange them in descending order of the marks, W's position from the top is 4th, and that's the right answer. Option number E, that is none of these. Okay. Next, the one who scored the third lowest marks. Attends which of the following subjects? It is physics. Okay, right answer is option number B, physics. Next one, solve this. Hurry up, solve this, guys, quickly. The 1 minute is sufficient. Among 5 persons whose names have been given, they have different heights. Tallest is at the top, and shortest is at the bottom. Okay, so now only, my dear students, only 2 persons are shorter than S. T is shorter than S but taller than D. Okay, Now here there is a doubt between m and n. M over here, then n over here, or n over here, then m over here. The one who is the second tallest is 175. The one who is the second tallest is 175. And now this is the final diagram. This is the final diagram. Now, my dear students, this was the diagram. Mn or Nm, S, T or D, 175. And now, which of the following statement is definitely true? Definitely true with respect to the given information. So now, my dear students, D is definitely 175. No. M is possibly 157. No. T is shorter than S. Correct. T is shorter than S. Correct. N is shorter than S. No. So answer is option number C. Option number C. Okay. Next. My dear students, this was the original diagram. This was the original diagram. Okay, everyone. This was the original diagram. Okay. Next. Now, if the height of M is 180. Now see, originally as per the question, there was a doubt between M and N that who is taller. Fine. But here it is categorically mentioned that the height of M is 180. Now, if the height of M is 180, obviously it will be like this. Only for this particular sub question. We cannot extend this further. Okay. Then which of the following is the height of N? 175. 175. Alright, and that is the right answer. Option number E. Next. Solve this one. Now, this is again a doubt area. M, N, N, M, S, T, D. Okay, this was the diagram, original diagram. How many persons are shorter than M? Now, if M is over here, then shorter persons are 4. But if M is over here, then shorter persons are 3. So the answer is cannot be determined 3 or 4. Answer is option D, 3 or 4. All right, everyone. Next. Now, this is the next question. Please solve this. Please solve this. This is a question which you can even solve verbally. Hurry up. Okay, now see, it's very simple. Okay, no need to think much. This is the left hand, this is the right hand, left hand and right hand. So in a row of 34 children, S is 14th from the right hand. S is 14th from the right hand. And there are 10 children between S and K. Now, 10 children between S and K, it is doubtful area, because 10 children between S and K can be here, or 10 children between S and K can be here, 10 children between them can be in this region, 10 children between them can be in this region. Okay, then what is K's position from the left? See, if I take this K's position from the left will be something else. If I take this K's position from the left will be something else. And so since there is more than one answer, the answer will be cannot be determined. Alright, or data inadequate, data not sufficient. Next, solve this, guys. Solve this one. This is probably the last one. I will give you 2 minutes to think about this and simultaneously solve this. Quickly, everyone. 1 more minute, quickly. Okay, now see. Now in such kind of questions, two cases will be formed. In such kind of questions, two cases will be formed. Case 1 and case 2. Okay, case 1 and case 2. Two cases will be formed. How and why? See, the question is categorically telling you that 8 students enter into the class between x and y. 8 students enter into the class between x and y. So it can be that first x enters, then 8 students, then y. Or it can be that first y enters, then 8 students and then x. So these are the two cases. I hope you will acknowledge the same, that 8 students between x and y, but this is not clear who among x and y who comes first, among x and y who comes later. So first x, then 8 students and y, or vice versa, first y, then 8 students and then x. Now, my dear students, it is clearly telling you 15 students enter into the class after x. 15 students enter into the class after x. And 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6. So 15 students. 8 plus 1, sorry, 8 plus 1, 6 plus 9. 8 plus 1, 6 plus 9, 15 students after x. And here also you can see 15 students after x. Okay, fine everyone, fine. Next. Now it is also telling you in a very clear way that 20 students enter into the class before y. 20 students enter into the class before y. So 20 students enter into the class before y, and 20 students, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 11. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 11, 20 students enter into the class before y. Okay, fine. So I hope that you will acknowledge the 2 points. And now let us just add them. Let us now just add them. In this case, 20 plus 1, 21 plus 8, 29 plus 1, 30 plus 15, 45. And here, 11 plus 1, 12 plus 8, 20. 11 plus 1, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, and then 21 plus 9. See, some mistake I have done. 11 plus 1, 12 plus 8, 20, 21 and 9, 30. Some mistake I have done. 11 plus 1, 12 plus 8, 20. Yes, mistake is there. 100% mistake is there. Isn't it? Isn't the mistake there? Isn't the mistake there? See, I will tell you how the mistake is there. See, 8 students enter into the class between x and y. I will draw it again. See, I will draw it again. See, this is a mistake. 8 students enter into the class between x and y. So 8 students enter into the class between x and y. It is fine. This is not a point. This is very clear. 15 students enter into the class after x. 15 students enter into the class after x. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6. 15 students enter into the class after x. Now, 20 students before y. 20 students before y. And then 8 plus 1, 9 and then 11. 20 students before y. So this was the case 1. This was the case 1 and this is the case 2. Alright. And now, my dear students, just add them. So 11 plus 1, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 21 plus 6, 27. Here 20 plus 1, 21 plus 8, 29, 30 and 15, 45. So these are the two cases. These are the two cases which will be formed. Okay. These are the two cases which will be formed. So in this question, if the examiner asks you number of students, answer is cannot be determined. If the examiner asks you total students, answer is cannot be determined. But yes, if examiner asks you minimum students, 27, maximum students 45. And how it is coming, I will again tell you. 8 students enter into the class between x and y. 8 students enter into the class between x and y. It can be in 2 ways. 8 students enter into the class between x and y. Now 15 students enter into the class after x. So 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 15. After this, 15. Okay. 20 students enter into the class before y. So 20 students before y. And 8 plus 1, 9 plus 11, 20. So now if you just add them, 21 plus 8, 29 plus 1, 30 plus 15, 45. Here 11 plus 1, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 1, 21 plus 6, 27. All right, everyone, getting it? Yes or no? Yes or no? And therefore, what is the maximum possible number of students? Maximum possible number of students is 45. Maximum possible number of students is 45. I hope it is very clear. Minimum possible number of students is 27. Number of students, if it is asked, cannot be determined because two answers can be there. Finally, my dear students, this will be your homework question. This will be your homework question. You would be solving it and answering under the comment box. Okay, and I promise to respond to each of the comments over there. Okay, you would be solving this question and answering under the comment box. All right, everyone, it is from the same sub question. Okay, it is from the same set. And now with this, we come to an end of the session. My dear students, I will again request you, please be very much punctual in our classes. Please be very much regular in our classes. Please be very much attentive in our classes, and we will ensure that entire syllabus is being covered. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.